having your own darkroom to work in is really, it's a joy. It's great. But one of the drawbacks is that you got to clean up after yourself. If you stop cleaning up after yourself, this will all go very, very wrong. So one way that I, in a sense, clean up is that I take these plexiglass lids, and what I do is instead of dumping my chemistry down the drain, is I just cover it up like this. And what it does, again, is it keeps the oxygen out. And that's, again, a great way of just cleaning up and a great way to save chemistry. You can keep using your chemistry. And so what I do is I put these lids on, and then I just take, a sticky, and I label it, and I date it, and I say what time it is, and sometimes I even say for how long I used it. And so I really like saving my chemistry that way. And again, back to the cleaning up. Nobody really likes to clean up all this stuff, but there's nothing better than when you come in for a printing session to have everything nice and clean, and you can just begin your work, versus having everything dirty and kind of nasty. So cleaning up is an extremely important part of being in a darkroom.